first, how we see this international fair on investment and trade in the global context, and secondly, what are the tangible outcomes. Coming to the first part, I think it's very critical and important. It's not merely an advertisement show. It's a strategic initiative and a strategic platform in this particular age of global trade tensions that we are seeing. So it's just a breath of fresh air anchored into the key principles of the global initiative of shared prosperity, people-focused outcomes, addressing key issues and challenges through actionable items, which results in real outcomes. And we see that, and we see in initiatives such as the Bridge and the Road Initiative and the China-Pakistan Economic Corridor, which is one of the key initiatives within the BRI, in which Pakistan and China has this strategic partnership. Almost $25 billion have been invested by China in Pakistan in infrastructure, which will help flow of trade, which will help flow of investment, and with digital infrastructure, with the flow of services in both directions. So that's one part. So given the global environment, it plays a very crucial role. Now coming to tangible outcomes. First, I think it's a platform which will enable to look at those who are seeking investments on what kind of a deal flow is available. And that's very important because that's a commercial decision. Secondly, it will also help them to understand what kind of risk-adjusted returns investors are looking at and to understand the risk profile, because it's very important to understand the risk profile in order to attract the investment. I think the third important outcome we are looking at is the policy dialogue, and that's where the investment facilitation for development agreement comes in, which has a strong support from the global south to reach that kind of agreement, which helps the investment flows. And this is an important forum, and I think one of the important outcomes is a renewed commitment to that agreement.